Hello, this is Sharon Crespo, VIA Vice President of External Affairs and Executive Director of Prevent Child Abuse Louisiana. Prevent Child Abuse Louisiana, or PCAL, is housed under VIA, and this is our state's chapter of Prevent Child Abuse America, an amazing network of communities across the nation that have the directive and the mission of upstream approaches to prevent child abuse, which really means supporting families and engaging in resource connection. At VIA Prevent Child Abuse Louisiana, we have a mission of providing 24/7 emotional support for families, connection to parenting resources, advocacy for children and families, and education for those who care for Louisiana's children. Support for PCAL goes towards these direct programs that we utilize to provide direct services to our families. This includes things like Louisiana Parent Line, which is our 24-hour statewide available phone and text line, which is available for free for all parents and caregivers for emotional support, that safe space to get the gunk out, as well as connection to parenting resources. This is a really safe space for parents to get that support about the tough stuff about parenting, and again, to also engage with a compassionate specialist who, if that is what they are looking for, can connect them to local resources to support their family. We also engage in advocacy at our state capitol, as well as making sure that our community partners are aware of what legislation is going on and how that can impact their families and how they can get involved if they would like to. We also provide direct education to schools, to agencies who support families, to community groups, anybody who would like it, on topics surrounding family and child mental health. Topics like youth suicide response, ACEs, that is adverse childhood experiences, grief, trauma, crisis intervention, and the list continues to grow as we continue to research and be able to provide these amazing trainings for the topics that are truly coming up in our communities. Starting now also with suicide specific training for perinatal mothers, which is our maternal mental health matters training. And we are heavily engaged in April's Child Abuse Prevention Month. And that is when we are able to hold our annual walk, the Pinwheel Walk, as we like to call it. The pinwheel is the sign of Child Abuse Prevention Month. And again, that is all about supporting families and making sure they have the resources and just the community connections that they need. The Pinwheel Walk is a beautiful day where we get together with parents and caregivers across the state, and we have a connection to local community resources, get that face on face action, and just celebrate what it is to be a family and what it is to be a parent in Louisiana. Please feel free to reach out to us. That Louisiana Parent Line I mentioned is available statewide by dialing 833 LA Child or texting 225-424-1533. And please visit our website, www.preventchildabusela.org. There you can learn all about our services, all about our trainings, all about our mission. And we also have a wonderful live community event calendar that can be utilized by families and other resources to know what is going on in real time for your families to engage in. Thank you so much.